You don't want to take a picture? No cheese? You don't want to take a picture because it's too early in the morning? Yeah. Are you sure?
Oh no.
Yeah. The animals on the TV are back. They're fine. No cheese? I'm going to say cheese. Amelia. Squirrel. Hello. Squirrel. Hi. You want to do cheese?
No.
You don't want a picture? How about now? How about now? How about now?
Mama.
You want cheese? Cheese. Ah. Good job. Super cute. What are you eating? You're eating raisins, you got oatmeal and a waffle, and you got a giant water. Is it good? You're like, Dad, I'm too busy eating raisins. It's what I do. I eat all my raisins.
Pumpkin.
Is it good?
Pumpkin.
Uh-huh.
Pumpkin.
And a raisin. Can you say raisin? I know you're trying. I think you were saying pumpkin. Heck yeah, Dad, I do what I want.
Pumpkin.
Raisin.
Pumpkin.
It's not a pumpkin. It's a raisin.
Pumpkin.
It is not a pumpkin. It is a raisin.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, the pumpkin is the big orange thing that you learned a couple weeks ago. Well, back on Thanksgiving. Well, Halloween, Thanksgiving.
Pumpkin.
It's a raisin.
Pumpkin.
Raisin.
Pumpkin.
Okay. It's a raisin. So what is it again? Is it a raisin? Raisin. These are raisins.
No, mine.
Yeah, they are yours. Absolutely. Is it good? That's why you're like guarding them now. She's like, they're mine, Dad. I don't trust you. Are they good? You had, oh, they're really good. Yes. All right. Want to say bye-bye?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.